and welcome back to Sister Slime Vids. Today I'm making a hat, but we're not going to be using tie-dye. So let's get started. I am in a different space because this does use rubbing alcohol, so I just didn't want to get it in our normal filming room. So I have our bag of Sharpies and I just pulled out the colors I wanted. Then I just started to color on the hat where I wanted it. I wanted it on the part that goes over your head. So I then grabbed this bowl to put my rubbing alcohol in because I'm not just going to pour it out because it makes a big mess. If you have a dropper, then that'll work better because then you can distribute it better. So now I have my hat right here and my bowl of rubbing alcohol. I would put paper towels underneath just so it doesn't get everywhere and so you can dab off the excess, and you're just going to start pouring it onto your hat. Once this dries, you will see a lot more color fading and stuff, but right now it doesn't really look like a lot fading in tie-dye, but I assure you when it's dry, it will look 10 times better. So as you can see right here, I just am taking this bronze Sharpie and writing love on the back. So as you can see, it didn't fade the best, but it did fade together a little. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this front area only with a cute design and be back. So I waited a couple days, and when I let it sit, the colors dripped a lot more because I added so much. So you want to make sure the hat is very saturated. And here is the final product. And if you have the hat flat like this, the color is going to transfer, but I think it adds a really cool effect. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment what other videos you'd like to see, and turn on post notifications. Bye!